From the Langley Event Center, this is Go.
This is Go, your Joy TV guide to coming events, attractions and important occurrences throughout the Lower Mainland.
Thousands of years of Chinese dance, culture and costumes. Shenyun at Queen Elizabeth Theatre, January 10th to 13th. Visit shenyun2013.org for details. Go! The largest celebration of its kind in BC. The 6th annual Russian Christmas at the Palm Theatre in Vancouver on January 13th. Visit palmtheatre.com for details.
Go!
It's a crazy, unplanned wilderness excursion. Henry and Alice into the Wild, January 15th to 26th at the Surrey Arts Centre. Visit artsclub.com for details.
Go!
For Joy TV 10, this is Go. Woo!
Go is presented by Michaud's in Cloverdale, Michaud's Salon, Spa and Wellness Centre. All the style without the attitude.